guys, today we are installing some upper cabinets. I'm going to be using knappconnectors. This is called the SUNNY. So this is a locking biscuit connector. You see these little tabs here that's going to slide together, lock in place. It's got a cutting edge, so I'm just going to cut a couple. I cut a couple number 20 biscuit slots. I put them in. It's a mirrored connector, so I put this one in going the other way, and this one down here, I put it in the opposite way. You just knock it in with a hammer. And, you know, instead of traditionally just, you know, screwing it in, someone holds the cabinet, you have to clamp it and you screw it together. You know, this is a great method for, you know, if you want to do it by yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install the upper cabinet using the SUNNY Biscuit Connector by Knapp. All right, so I'm gonna come in from the bottom, so I'm going to connect it in the bottom here first, and then push it up. That way it's easier to, you know, to push up. And there you go. It's connected together. The face frame is always going to be flush. And now I can go ahead and grab a ladder. I've got my screws pre-drilled on the top here. And that's it.